everybody, it's Peypocalypse back with another cosplay video, and this is Nero.
Hey.
And he's gonna be body painting me today, and we're working with Fandom Spotlite. Yay! So today we're gonna be doing 02 from Darling the Franxx. It's a super popular anime right now, and we are so excited to do it, so let's get to it.
You can follow Nero on Instagram at Black Knight Nero. If you love this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps me out. There's some more videos on the side for you to check out. And I'm off to KomoriCon. I'm bringing 02 with me, so I'll catch you guys later.